Notice anything different about me? I've got some new glasses. These are the Halliday AI Glasses, and they're the world's first proactive AI glasses with an invisible display. They feel very light and just like a regular pair of glasses, but with AI functionality built right in. You can't see it right now, but I'm actually using them to help me remember everything I say for this video. There's a whole lot of cool stuff going on with these, so let's jump right into it. The first thing I noticed when holding the glasses for the first time was just how light they are. One of the biggest problems with AI glasses, or XR glasses in general, is that they don't look like regular glasses and are so much heavier than the glasses you might wear every day. I was really impressed when I put these on for the first time because they didn't feel much different from putting on my normal glasses. I feel like this is a key feature that would change a lot of people's minds about tech-powered glasses. The glasses only weigh 28.5 grams if you don't count the lenses, and with the lenses I have, they only weigh 35 grams. This is much lighter than certain competitor glasses and even many typical sunglasses, and they don't even do half the cool things Halliday's AI glasses do. I also think it's really cool that these Halliday AI glasses don't have a proprietary charger. They charge with a USB-C cable, just like all the other products I own. The USB-C port is at the back on one of the stems, which I found easy to find and easy to use. But yeah, not needing to deal with this kind of a mess just to charge my glasses is a big deal. I just use the same cable I already use for my phone, my laptop, my earbuds, and everything else. Another thing that really sets these glasses apart is their presentation. Let me show you what it's like to unbox them. I really appreciate it when companies go the extra mile and make opening up their product a fun time. So I've got the Halliday AI Glasses box here to show you how cool and thoughtful the whole experience is. When you open this box, you get all sorts of goodies. The glasses have this nice leather case, which has a retro vibe to it that I really like. There's also a high-end USB-C cable, which you don't see too often. These little details show how much Halliday cares about its designs and aesthetics. In here, we have the controller ring, which allows you to use the glasses without needing to touch them. I'll go over this in a bit, but let me also point out this tiny charger for the ring. Once again, note that there's a USB-C cable port here, so you can charge everything in the box with the same cable. I'm super excited to show you what these glasses can do, but just so you know, the Halliday official website is live right now. Just click the link in the description. Buying these glasses directly from the company is super easy. The best part is that these are like a pair of daily glasses with smart features, even with a price that is comparable to a regular pair of prescription glasses. This offers incredible value. Buying now also gets you some limited time pre-order perks like free premium lenses and a control ring, a $218 value. Oh, and for those of you out there who backed Halliday during its Kickstarter, shipping has begun for you. For everyone else though, the Halliday official website is the best place to go to grab these now. So the coolest thing about these glasses is the invisible display. You can't tell right now, but I can see my cheat sheet notes right in front of me. This is made possible by the DigiWindow optical module, this tiny little projector on the inside of the frames. It projects information right onto my eye, making it invisible to others, but always there when I need it. Because the projector goes onto my eye, this allows the lenses to be whatever I want. I got clear prescription lenses, but I could have gotten traditional sunglass lenses or even photochromic transition lenses. This is all possible because of the DigiWindow. There's no display on the lenses themselves, so I can see clearly all the time and don't have the rainbow effect you see from other glasses in this category. The DigiWindow also works great in all lighting conditions, so you can use it on bright sunny days or indoors without a problem. Basically, it's like having a private heads-up display that I can see, but no one else can, and it works anywhere I go. So how does this work? First, you need to adjust everything so it fits your particular needs. You can slide or tilt the module for the perfect alignment. You can also twist the module to focus. You can even adjust the nose pads to make sure the projector sits in the exact right position for you. Once you have things set up, you'll see this little green window of information. This is projected onto my eyes right now, but you can't see anything, which is pretty amazing. This makes it so that when I need help with something, all I need to do is glance up and see it, and it doesn't interrupt my normal vision. There are a lot of advantages to this setup. Obviously, the screen not being visible to anyone is a big one. But there's also no light leakage, and you have 100% privacy from all angles. Obviously, all this cool tech doesn't mean much if the glasses aren't comfortable, and the Halliday AI glasses have a truly comfortable fit. I can easily wear these throughout my entire day, just like I would a regular pair of glasses. Also, they look really fashionable too, since they're designed in the always-on trend style of classic Wellington and Boston frames. If you've used other AR or AI glasses, you've probably had the experience of running out of battery right in the middle of the day. That won't be a problem with the Halliday AI glasses though. You can enjoy up to 12 hours of normal use. If you do run out of battery at some point, a quick connection using the USB Type-C cable will charge your glasses back up in just about an hour. So that means 1 hour of charging equals 12 hours of battery life. This is terrific for me because I hate needing to charge my gadgets multiple times each day. I can put these on in the morning, wear them all day, and then charge them at night. It really is just like having a typical set of glasses. By now, you're probably wondering what the AI means in the Halliday AI glasses name. Well, these glasses are the first smart glasses to feature proactive AI, a system that predicts your needs before you speak. If you're having a conversation with a friend, for example, you can activate the AI agent to listen privately and offer helpful assistance. If you're chatting with someone and they say something like, "I wonder how long the flight is between New York and San Francisco," the proactive AI will pull up the answer for you automatically. Of course, if you don't like this, Halliday gives you the option to turn off the proactive AI and make it reactive. In other words, you can manually trigger the AI when you need it, and it goes away after that. I think this is great because sometimes you want the AI listening, and sometimes you don't, and Halliday gives you the control. If you do decide to have it proactively listen though, repeated interactions like this will help the AI agent learn from your habits, preferences, and conversation style. It almost becomes like a second brain. To control the Halliday AI glasses, you have 3 options. The first is tempo controls, which works by swiping and tapping on the stem. Another way to control the glasses is using the action button, which is fully customizable. You can use this to gain quick access to the features you use most. The coolest and most discreet way to control the Halliday AI glasses, though, is through ring controls. Using this, no one even needs to know you're using your glasses. The ring connects to the glasses wirelessly and allows you to navigate the features using swipes, taps, and clicks. Once you've got the moves down, you'll be able to access all the super cool functions the glasses offer quickly and easily. Halliday is shipping these with all the features I've already described, but there are actually so many other things they can do. If you are talking with someone whose first language is different than yours, you don't need to ask them to struggle to speak your first language. Instead, you can tell them to speak their preferred language, and the translation will appear in real time in the Digi window. Using this tool, you can have a much more relaxed conversation. You won't need to look at your phone at all. You can look right at the person, just as you normally would if you spoke their language. I travel a lot as a creator, so tools like this make a huge difference in my life. Not needing to take out my phone to understand people is certainly a much more elegant way to have a one-on-one conversation with someone. Another one of my favorite features is audio memo. As the name suggests, it allows you to quickly make a note to yourself at any time. I just need to use the ring to navigate to the audio memo feature, trigger it, and then say whatever I would like to say. This is perfect for creators like me, who are constantly making notes to themselves about new video ideas. Now, that ability is only a tap away no matter where I am or what I'm doing. The phone app connected to the glasses will even produce a transcript of my note. So, I can use this for simple reminders or even transcribe entire meetings. Another terrific feature is the ability to see notifications on my heads-up display, eliminating the need for me to check my phone. You just need to turn on the notification preferences to your liking. In this case, when I receive a text message, it pops up right in my line of sight. This makes my life so much easier because I don't need to constantly be pulling out my phone or checking my watch to see who's texted me. It's just right there whenever I need it. The Halliday AI glasses are a truly original product. There's simply nothing out there like this. I really like that all this technology is packed into glasses that look and feel just like normal glasses. I also think the fact that everything stays private just for me is really useful, and having fast access to an AI agent at all times is really valuable. If you'd like to give these a shot, the best way to get them is through Halliday's website. They come in 3 colors: black, which you've been seeing me wear, gradient, which is a cool gray I like a lot, and the classic tortoise that never goes out of style. Remember that you can also make them into sunglasses with protective lenses, classic clear with anti-blue light coating, or get the best of both worlds with photochromic transition lenses. Halliday will even install prescription lenses free of charge, assuming you take advantage of the limited time deal. What do you think of these glasses? Jump down in the comments and let me know your thoughts. See you all later.